How to fix File Explorer keeps crashing on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to fix if your File Explorer keeps crashing. The very first thing you need to do here is open up your File Explorer and change the settings. So on here, what you want to do is tap on the three dots and go to Options. We'll open this up here. Now, the next step is to go ahead and go to General and click on this drop down. Make sure the Open File Explorer 2 is selected on this PC. Click on Apply and then OK. Now, you can also disable certain things here from your View menu. You can disable Quick Access menu and other settings. Now, close it out and open up your Task Manager. Right click on Taskbar, go to Task Manager, and then find your File Explorer here. Right click on Windows Explorer, click on Restart, and you should be good to go. It will refresh your background and restart your File Explorer. You should be good to go. Once that is done, the other thing that you can do is open up your command prompt. Go ahead and type in CMD here, run it as administrator, click on Yes, and then type in this command sfc /scan now. Hit enter. And it's going to start scanning your PC. If there are any uh, files that it finds malicious, it's going to go ahead and fix it automatically. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.